Today is 1/5/2023. 1:02 a.m. is the time. It appears to be that Swiss franc is strong today. If we look at a couple pairs, so I just entered this trade. I'm looking at it from a technical standpoint, meaning price drove up, pulled back, sat around this area, and it was starting to go. It's 1 a.m. and my target's here, stop is here. I think it's about $20 I'm risking on this trade. It's not really a lot. And as soon as I get another candle, which will be an hour from now, I will adjust my stop. Let's look at some other Swiss pairs. Nope, not that one. Let's look at Euro Swiss. I know that was driving down. What other one? CAD Swiss? Yeah. So it seems to be a sell-off with the Swiss pairs. Same with Australian. We'll see how this plays out. I'll let you know. I do want to point out the indicators. Obviously, exhaustion's in the middle. Bias is turning, but that was kind of as price is turning. If the indicators aren't lining up, that's fine. If we're to go down a lower time frame, they would tell us a different story. This is the bias down here. This was already out here, so price loss turn. So I'm a little late to this. We'll see how this plays out. That's where my target's at. I think what I'm looking at is this whole move. So this move, pullback, continuation, pullback, and then this move just rips up to the upside. And this rip is 200 points. And there's a lot of volume coming into this pair right now. So I'm going to move that out a little bit. And I'm just looking at price action and seeing some of the big moves. And this pair has the potential to move at least 100 points. Easily move 100 points. Yeah. So I'm going to move it up there. Target is $41. 100 points. Well, I will keep you updated and let you know what happens. We are on 5-minute time frame for JPY. Right now, it appears that price is somewhat stalling. And I want to see if it's going to break this high. I'm willing to get out. There it goes. Now it's starting to move. I'm waiting for a pullback. And I'm just itching for it. Because this is a strong move. There needs to be a pullback. There's going to be. But I've been in trades like this before where I've gotten out too early. It just keeps going and going and going. You're like, you got to be kidding me, really? There's a few things I'm looking at. I'm looking at the dot. I'm looking at the MA. I'm looking at price highs. Barely struggling. It's 1:25 a.m. We just got a new 5-minute candle. And price might be just struggling. It may go sideways. It looks like it might be out of steam. I am going to close out the trade. So I close the trade manually. Price is doing it. It is still going up. I got in here, got out there, made about $16, but with the loss that I took yesterday, I'm up still about 12%. And we will see how this plays out. What I would like for it to do is to pull back maybe around here and then continue up. That would be nice. And I will continue this conversation later. I just entered on Euro AUD. It's just, there's a 15. So prices pulled back, rallied. Now it's kind of just sitting here at this area. It looks good. Looks okay. But I like it on here. How it's moved up, pulled back. And now it appears to be stalling. So I'm targeting this area. I'm thinking it would go up to these highs or these highs, depending. And there's a 5 minute. And it could be a bad idea. Looks like price is pulling back. It seems like when London session starts, there's this drive up, and then it kind of just, stuff goes sideways for a little while. And there's not much on the trade. $8. Not really worried about it. I just like the technical. And sometimes I'll trade from a technical standpoint rather than viewing the indicators. And I'm usually wrong. And I will keep you updated on this trade. I decided to close this trade out manually because technically it doesn't seem to want to move in that direction. Could be a head fake, false breakout. It is within a range. I'm going to jump down to a 1 minute. So here's a 1 minute. Obviously we are in a range and it looks choppy. I closed it out early just to reduce the loss, and that is it. Euro JPY. That's a 15-minute time frame. So how I'm seeing this is, so we got a strong move up, and I've seen this happen before, is you get a really strong news event or a strong move up, and then it just retraces back down. I don't know if this is one of them. Final high, candle setup, dot, close below the MAs. Bias is up here, so it's kind of lagging, obviously. Exhaustion's here, but it's down here. So it's a little flat. So I'm just combining certain things. I'm targeting this level right here. My stop is just above the previous candle for like $8. $8 stop out. Targeting this level for $30, give or take. Going back on price action, the pair only usually move up. Oh, it's a small pullback, but this kind of pullback is like 30 points. So I'm asking for a little more than what it might give me, but we'll see how it plays out. It's 6:25 a.m. New York session's kicking off, and the Euro JPY pair that I took a short on. So I took the trade, stopped there, went to sleep. It did not go down. It obviously came back up and stopped me out for a $8 loss. That's it.